My name is Aman, and I'm doing the explaining the Python program. So I think Python courses that we had to do it as in last project in saw. And as we can see, these are our project goals. We will open this with the Visual Studio codes that I have installed. This will look like this. Yeah, now you can see my Android number, my name, the project title, the student management. As we move further from the fourth line, this is we can see it is the import tinker as tick. The tinker, this tinker, we are importing tinker module. The tinker framework provides Python with a simple way to create GUI elements using the widgets found in the TK toolkit. This is a TK toolkit. TK widgets can be used. These TK widgets can be used to construct button menus, data fields, etc. in Python application. We are using buttons, data fields, and etc. in the program. We will see this further. From Tinker input TTK. Now you might wonder what is a TTK. TTK module provides us access to the TK themed widget set. Message box. I will explain you this later. Now, we are importing the SQLite. You might wonder what is SQLite. The SQLite module provides a straightforward interface for interfacing with SQL databases. To interface with SQL databases, which is very important in this program. Now, at the eighth line, you can see root equal to in a dot TK. The TK the TK is used to initialize tinker. As we were written in the program, initialize tinker, we have to create a TK root widget, which is a window with a little bar and other decoration provided by the window menu. Let me run this program first. Wait a minute. Step please. Let me see. Like, this one program is running. And this is what we got at output. Now, the root.title management. The title of the program will be in its main, as you were saying in the corner bottom. Connection equal to SQLite.connect management.in. And this is SQL, so we are using in feature management DB. We are connecting SQLite with this management. And calling first, the table name will be management table. We are inserting the things that we want to do. Student address, student code, and the following connection.x. This will execute the program, the following program. Create table if not exist. And the plus table name to the student plus this will be correction proper way to write, and it will show like this. Let me use it. Now app label. App label tk.label. Use this tk.label is used to label the project. Configure font. This configuring font is the font will be of site length. This is in site length font, and the size will be like this. And let me explain you this. This will give us the font size is 30. will be written as this student management system, and we will 35 and I click on that we are seeing here. Now, let's on the line 29, we can see the class, we are making the class here, name student. And after that, we are student, writing student name. We are keeping it blank here so that client can insert anything he wants to do. The college name, phone number equal to 0, because the phone number have a specific number length. It will be given by, that's why we have written here 0. And the address is also uh, blank because client can enter any address he wants to. And after that, we are moving to defs. And def IND, this is defining, we are defining INIT as D. And INIT is a short method in Python classes. This method is called when an object is created from a class. This is called when an object is created from a class. After that, you can see, and these are the classes, self.student. And you might wonder, and I also wondered when I first learned it, what is self.student? Then I got to know that self is used to represent the instance of a class. It is representing the instance of a class. With this keyword, we can access the attributes and methods of the class in Python. Yeah, after moving further, we can see name label. Representing name label, and in that we can see tk.label. The Tinker label, this is Tinker label is a widget. This is a widget that is used to implement. Tinker label is a widget that is used to implement display boxes where we can place text or images. Phone label. This will label phone and to the address. Inside this, you can see enter your phone number. There we can see enter your name, enter your college, enter your phone number, enter your address. Like this in this order because these lines of statements are after executing users list. After that, we can see a name entry making this, and we can get to know that tk we are using tk.entry so that we can enter any name that we want to. Like this, I'm inputting anything. Let us take a name. Uh, uh, we can insert it here only because of the entry variable that we are using. Now, let me explain in a definition of it. The entry is a widget that is used to provide the single line text box. We can see it here, the single line text box. Single line text box to the user. User means the client uh, to accept a value from the user. Let us consider that I am the user and this is asking me to enter your college name. Suppose my college name is is printing. uh, It will it is taken input as government Polytechnic. And in the same way, we can enter phone number, phone name number, and address number. Address, phone number, we can enter it. Let us suppose we enter a number, uh, and the address is which is taking input. Now, moving further,